guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys is we're going to make UBE Maja Blanca. So first we're going to make a pure coconut milk from coconut. I put 4 cups of water to the grated coconut to make more coconut milk. I use my bare hands to squeeze this coconut so that there will be more milk later. And then we have to strain it to separate the coconut milk. I add 1/2 cup of powdered milk and 1 can of evap milk. Just continue stirring guys to lose the powdered milk and it will combine. I also add sugar guys to make it more sweet, and since I don't have any corn here, so I used peanut to replace it to make our UBE Maja Blanca guys more tasty. I separate 2 cups of this mixture guys to make white Maja Blanca, because the remaining is I will put it UBE flavor condensed milk and the flavorade syrup. This syrup guys I use will give more UBE flavor to our Maja Blanca, and it will give more colorful. As you see, it makes more violet in color. In this mixture guys, I separate earlier. We have to add 1/4 cup of cornstarch and we will cook it first. Since this is the first layer of our Maja Blanca, the white one, and the second layer is the UBE flavor. Just continue stirring guys until it will become thick. So this is it guys, the first layer of our UBE Maja Blanca, the white one, and we will cook the UBE flavor next. I need 2 cups of cornstarch guys and dissolve it with 1 cup of water for our UBE flavor. boiled already, guys, so this is the time that we add the cornstarch mixture. Just continue stirring, guys, as what we did the previous one. You can also add peanut, guys, and cheese for the toppings to make it more yummy. Thank you, guys, for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to be more updated.